Welcome back. Now we have something new to the channel. I just purchased this 5500 watt champion generator. I love it so far. Very impressed. I purchased it a little less than a week ago. Yes, I had to spend some money. It was roughly $600. I'll post a link below. The reason I had to purchase this,
because my area was impacted by Hurricane Laura.
yeah, she caused a little damage. I used the 220 setup right here, which is part of my home. You know, this little thing here will not quit. I mean, very tough. The only thing I do not like is the way you check the fuel inside. Yeah. I prefer to have sight glass needle, but so far it's been great. Let's give it a start. One pull.